What's up everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be tripping and falling in the basement. Now I'm going to review these. Right now we are down in our basement where we do prepping and other stuff like that, keep our tools and so forth. So what was in those boxes are these shelves. So you got 1, 2, 3, and you can put stuff on the top. These shelves are cheap. I'll put a link in the video description where you can get them, and they hold a lot of stuff, as you can see. But yeah, a link to the video description. I give them a 10 out of 10 because they're cheap and they work really well. So I'm always happy with them. Alright, let's go ahead and just do one at a time. They are very easy to install. Very simple to set up. The black goes on the top, that faces the bottom. The legs go on first. The little pins here, small little pins, go on the top. These are the legs. It's cheap plastic, so don't be like ripping around with it, especially when you get it put on. So the legs just simply lay underneath, and you put the little screw-in top in. You'll know when you're seeing it, but I can't recommend these any more than I have already. I love them. I think they work amazing. And they're cheap. I forgot to mention that. Or maybe I did. So we just thread on, hold the base, thread on the post. Don't turn too tight or you can snap it, and don't pull and bend the post or you can break it. I think you can also stack them higher as well, so I could take the other shelf and stack it as well, but the weight would probably be just too much. It'd be alright if you didn't have that much heavy stuff on. Then we go ahead and take our next one. Drop it on. And we go take another post. The posts all thread in. Some of the posts, they don't drill them out the best that they could, so you're just going to have to apply pressure pushing down to get it to go in. And once you get it down in, you don't got to make it like crazy tight. Just don't snap it. You know, I've done that once and it makes everything a little more unstable. You can hot glue it and whatnot, and depends on how it goes in, it can go in sideways a little bit, which can get annoying. you know, it's cheap. It's cheaply made, but it does the job. So I like them enough to give them a 10 out of 10. Even with being cheaply made. Just remember, you just got to turn it in until it's tight. You don't got to make it really crazy tight that you snap it. And of course, linked in the video description. Within the link, it's an Amazon link, you can actually get different colors, I believe. So this is black with gray posts, and the price varies from each one. You'll give your arms a little workout by the time you're done with all the twisting. Of course, I'm trying to do this faster than slower. Okay. If it starts turning in sideways, unthread it back out and try and get it straight and even. Whew. Definitely a good workout. So we're getting there. It's just a lot of like twisting. That's really the only hard thing about this. I mean, it's not hard, it's just a lot of twisting. Alright, now we place the top one. Take our little pins here and we just kind of thread them in. And that's it. I won't record the other one because it's, you know, there's no point in recording that. But if you want to see the prepping supplies and everything, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, Saturdays with Scott, because that's where you'll eventually see it. So, this is one. I'll place it here. Load up with prepping stuff. I mean, I guess I'll put it there. I guess. I mean, it's not, it's kind of... So when you carry them, it's good to just carry it like this, like this, if you can see. Alright. And we'll put more prepping stuff up there, and I think what I'll do is I'll move that tub from there and that, and then we can put the other one beside it as well. So, alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.